Hi, today I'd like to answer the question, should you testify at a New York State Department of Motor Vehicles DMV refusal hearing? Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in Ithaca, New York. My practice focuses on two primary areas, DWI defense and personal injury cases. First off, before you testify at any hearing or at a trial, remember, it is ultimately your decision whether you're going to testify, but you should always consult with an attorney first to determine whether it's going to help you or hurt you to testify. Second, with a Department of Motor Vehicles administrative refusal hearing in New York State, one of the good reasons to want to testify is the judge will hold it against you, hold the hearing against you, and all his findings against you if you do not testify. So it's up to the government to put their case forward, or it's up to the police officer to state all the reasons, probable cause for the stop, probable cause for the arrest, showing that they gave you the refusal warnings and showing that your refusal was truly persistent. So if you don't put any evidence in, they're going to hold that against you. But you have to have, I think, a compelling reason to testify. So there's three reasons why you might want to testify. The first is if you requested an attorney before you made a decision to take the test, and they didn't do anything. They did absolutely nothing to try to get you an attorney, made no efforts whatsoever. That should be brought out at the hearing. Second reason that you might want to testify. You tried in earnest to give them a sample of your breath. You blew into the machine, and you're either, I've had this happen, hysterically crying, or hysterically laughing, or just hysterical, anxious, fearful, and you couldn't blow into the machine enough to make the machine register, they might say, we're marking this as a refusal because you're not complying with us. Well, that might be something that you might want to testify to. Why? Because you might have a problem. We have the thing called the COPDs, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, like emphysema or asthma or bronchitis. If somebody's sick, they may have difficulty giving an adequate breath sample. This needs to be brought out at a refusal hearing, so maybe that really wasn't a true refusal. And the last reason that you may want to testify. You may want to testify about any back problems or neck problems or issues that you're having with balance, because maybe when they did the field side test, maybe those tests were failed not because you were drunk, intoxicated, or impaired. Maybe you failed those tests because you do have real underlying issues with your back, your knees, or any of the parts of your body. That could be testified to. If you have questions about your DMV refusal case, DWI case, give me a call or shoot me an email. I'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.